Welcome to today's Explainer. We are jumping right into the ultimate guide to finding the absolute best premium furnished serviced apartments in Bashundhara R, Dhaka. If you've ever had to stay away from home for an extended stretch, you already know that finding the right accommodation is about so much more than just having a roof over your head. It's about finding an actual sanctuary. So let's dive right in and explore the top features and amenities you need to be looking for to secure your ideal premium living experience in Dhaka's most desirable neighborhood.
We've all been there, right? You're relocating for work, maybe visiting for essential medical treatments, or you're traveling with your family for a longer stay. At first, a standard hotel sounds totally fine. But by day 4 or 5, the walls of that cramped room literally start closing in on you. You're living out of a suitcase, relying on super expensive room service, and there's just nowhere to sit and relax. It is incredibly stressful. This explainer is specifically tailored for business travelers, medical tourists, families, and long-term guests who want real comfort and are completely ready to leave those traditional hotel compromises in the rearview mirror.
To get us to that perfect stay, here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. The accommodation dilemma. 2. Why choose Bashundhara R? 3. The comforts of home. 4. Seamless everyday living. 5. Safety and peace of mind. And finally, 6. Booking your ideal stay.
Starting things off with Section 1, the accommodation dilemma, and finding the perfect long-term fit.
Let's really weigh these two experiences. On one side, you have your standard hotel. It's notoriously cramped, there's absolutely no kitchen to speak of, and you are locked into those expensive, repetitive dining options. But on the flip side, we have the premium serviced apartment. And what you're gaining here is just massive. We're talking spacious living, your very own private kitchen, and an environment that actually feels like a home. The source material hits the nail on the head here. Unlike traditional hotels, these apartments offer exceptional financial value and freedom, so you can actually settle in and take a breath from day one.
Moving right along to Section 2, why choose Bashundhara Raj, Dhaka's most sought-after neighborhood?
Because location is everything, right? And Bashundhara RA is widely recognized as one of Dhaka's premium residential communities. It boasts beautifully clean streets and incredibly organized infrastructure. But more importantly, just look at what's surrounding you. You've got major hospitals and medical facilities, which is a huge plus for medical tourists, international schools, universities, massive shopping malls, supermarkets, and major corporate offices. The key takeaway here? By staying in this area, you'll spend vastly less time stuck in Dhaka traffic and way more time enjoying a peaceful, secure residential vibe.
That brings us to Section 3, the comforts of home. Here, we're looking at complete furniture and generous space.
Our source actually provides this fantastic quote, combining the comfort of home with the convenience of hospitality. Honestly, that is the entire philosophy of a premium serviced apartment in a nutshell. It means when you walk through that front door, the place is completely move-in ready. Quality mattresses, stylish sofas, wardrobes, AC, right down to the curtains and the lighting. You don't have to stress about buying a single household item. You just drop your bags, and boom, you are instantly at home.
And this comfort is built on genuine, spacious living. Imagine actually having room to breathe. We're talking separate bedrooms, so the kids can be asleep while you're still working in the living room, actual dining areas where you can sit down and share a meal, and private balconies to just step out and get some fresh air. Having this extra room creates a remarkably relaxed environment, and let me tell you, that is absolutely crucial to keeping your sanity if you're traveling with family or staying for a few months.
Now here is a total game changer. Having a fully equipped private kitchen. You get a refrigerator, a microwave, a gas stove or induction cooker, an electric kettle, a rice cooker, plus literally all the cooking utensils, plates, and cutlery you could ever need. Being able to prep your own meals doesn't just save you a ton of money compared to eating out all the time, but it lets you maintain your normal lifestyle. You can wake up, make your morning coffee exactly how you like it, and keep everybody's dietary routines perfectly on track.
All right, Section 4, seamless everyday living. This covers connectivity, housekeeping, and smart amenities. As the source document so perfectly puts it, reliable internet is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Wow, couldn't agree more with that. High-speed Wi-Fi is just foundational nowadays. Whether you're a business traveler jumping between online meetings, a student keeping up with coursework, or a family that just wants to stream a movie without that dreaded buffering circle, uninterrupted connectivity is an absolute must-have. And premium providers know this, so they include it without any extra hassle.
But a truly seamless life is about way more than just the internet. It's those everyday practical conveniences that elevate a good stay to a great one. You get professional housekeeping, we're talking room and bathroom sanitation, floor mopping, bed linen replacement, so your space stays spotless without you lifting a single finger. Add in professional laundry services and ironing facilities to just totally eliminate those everyday chores. And when it's time to unwind, you've got smart TVs with streaming compatibility, all backed by a super reliable power backup system. The whole idea is to maintain a highly functional, entertaining environment where you can just focus on your work or your loved ones.
Next up is Section 5, Safety and Peace of Mind. We're talking 24/7 security and customer support. Because let's be real, all the smart TVs in the world don't mean a thing if you don't feel secure. Security should never, ever be a compromise. When you're searching for Dhaka accommodation, especially if you're a solo traveler, an international guest, or with your family, you need absolute reassurance. The premium apartments we're talking about offer comprehensive measures: 24/7 security personnel, continuous CCTV surveillance, secure building entry, robust fire safety systems, and that dedicated backup power supply. That is exactly how you guarantee peace of mind for your whole stay.
And, that peace of mind extends directly to how you're treated as a guest. You want friendly, hyper-responsive customer support. This means having a professional management team right there to make sure check-in and check-out are totally frictionless. It means lightning-fast responses to maintenance requests, getting great local recommendations for where to eat or how to get around, and immediate emergency support if you ever need it. Prompt communication is really the true hallmark of great hospitality.
Which brings us to our final section, Section 6, Booking Your Ideal Stay, where we'll check out the essential features at a glance.
If you take away anything from our explainer today, let it be this ultimate value checklist. Before you hit book anywhere, ensure your apartment has a prime location for easy access to your essentials. Verify it has a fully equipped kitchen to save money and eat the way you want. Confirm that high-speed Wi-Fi is included for seamless connectivity. Double-check the 24/7 security for your family's peace of mind, and make sure there's responsive support available to help you out whenever you need it. Sticking to these 5 features is exactly how you find exceptional value in Bashundhara R.
So if you're actively looking for these fully furnished, premium serviced apartments in Bashundhara R, Dhaka, our source actually has a direct recommendation for you. Let REIT Limited help you lock in the absolute right place during your time in the city. You can reach out to them directly by calling +880-1711-993377 or just jump on their website at https://www.hotels.com.bd. They are fully equipped to set you up with literally all the premium features we've covered today.
I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Choosing the right accommodation, it's really about investing in your comfort, your daily productivity, and your ultimate peace of mind. So I have to ask, are you ready to transform your temporary stay in Dhaka into an experience that truly feels like home? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Definitely keep this checklist handy for your next trip, and hey, here's to finding your perfect sanctuary.